Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change your difficulty settings on the Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm game on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, you can just start a new game or load your existing one. Now from the game mode selection menu, just navigate to the options page, and once you enter it, you will then see the computer difficulty option. By default it is set to normal, but you can choose the easy or the hard as well as the insane mode as well. Just choose your desired difficulty and then press the A button to confirm your changes. You can come back to this menu at any point of time in the future as well to change your difficulty settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the difficulty settings on the Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.